Footsteps on burning clay. The sun whispers, come and stay. Sweat falls like a golden rain. Dancing hearts forget the pain. Horizon melts in orange glow. Smoke from chimneys rising slow. Guitars hum stories of the land. Callous fingers, bold and grand. Tierra caliente, feel the fire. Beating drum and hearts conspire. Night ignites with moonlit flame. Every soul here knows your name. Carry songs of ancient years. They sing of joy, they sing of tears. The earth, it quakes with every stride. Passion lives where dreams collide. Children run through dusty streets, laughing loud with untamed beats. Mothers call as the sun fades low, and still the embers fiercely glow. Tierra caliente, feel the fire. A beating drum and hearts conspire. Night ignites with moonlit flame. Every soul here knows your name. Tierra caliente, feel the fire. A beating drum and hearts conspire. Night ignites with moonlit flame. Every soul here knows your name.
You've been quiet, I've been blind, reading signs you left behind. Every smile, a broken sound. Hearts can beat, but still break down. I won't beg, I won't pretend. We both knew this could end. So I'll let you go, though it tears me apart. You'll always live in a corner of my heart. If love means giving you the sky above, then I'll let you go. But not my love. We had fire, we had rain, shared the joy, endured the pain. But you need a different road. Some goodbyes or love in code. I won't fight, I won't deny. loving you was right. So I'll let you go, though it's breaking me down. I wear this ache like a long lost crown. If freedom's what you're dreaming of, then I'll let you go. But now I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming, all the moment of truth in your lies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me.
Hi, Berto Quist. Happy 8 years anniversary. Salamat sa pila ka tuig nga pag-amping sa kuha. Padayon sa pag-uswag o pag-serve og lami ang pagkaon sa tanan. Happy 8 years anniversary, Berto Trattoria.
Happy anniversary, Berto! Amping mo! Free pizza, please.
Hi guys, Mia here, and I just want to greet you on your 8th anniversary, Berto family. I really miss you guys, and yeah, dili na ako malimtan ang itong mga special memories like late night sa kitchen, pagharana sa mga customers sa dining area, itong mga laughters, and bondings, and also itong mga emotional moments na to dito sa restaurant. Those moments have a really special place in my heart. English. Ito, proud kayo ko sa inyo ang continued dedication sa paghatag og good service, good food, good vibes sa island. And yeah, padayon lang gid guys sa inyong kakugi. And again, happy 8th anniversary. All the best for the company, and cheers to more laughter and memories to come. Love you, Berto family. See you next year. Bye bye. On continued dedication.
Happy 8 years, Berto fam. So wala na kailan ako din si Shandy. Nagtrabaho ko dira before mga 2 years ago na to, Kish? Oh, 2 years. 2 years ago. Ang mamiss na ko sa Berto no kay ang mga katrabaho. Kay malingaw ko to sa una katong wala kaya customer tapos alam kita si Madaman eh. Kay pusok-sok misa ka ng sa likod sa may CR. Kaya dito yung magchika-chika. Murang ang ginalikayan ang CCTV. Kaya nagusok ko si Madam Kim. Ano mo ko? Malingaw kay ko ito na moment kay ka na tagahapon magipto niya. Yung kalimot kay sa una mag-amot-amot mi kay para sa kanang food sa pamainit. Inana malingaw kay ko ato nga moment ina ko tumalimtan. Kanya mga gara-gara sa mga katrabaho, kanya sa mga taga-kitchen, nga mga brother dito, mga lalaki kay pero filmi gidugo sila. Kay mga uy kay sila. Kana diyon ako na malimtan sa maong malipay gihapon ko makita ta ninyo pag-usap labi na karo assembly o picture ta ninyo niya amping mo kanunay salamat sa inyo.
Hi Berto fam. Kanang I just wanna greet you happy anniversary sa Berto family, of course. Happy kay ko nga nahimo kong part sa Virtu family for 2 years and 8 months. Grabe atong pag-ubanay guys, atong mga struggles sulod sa kumpanya, ang ato ang paglahutay. Sadly, wa ko kalahutay kay lang ko. Bitaw. Kanang makamingaw gyud ang labi na ako mga katrabaho, ako mga kauban sa mukaon. Inihayog utang. Nihayog utang og pasta. Number 1 si Tian, kuan kayo kanang impluwensya sa pagkaon. Himingaw ko uban kaon sa inyo, nya mag-inihay og dala og mga sudan. Mo na ko isa kag gikamingawan. Happy ko kay daghan kay ko og na-cultivate nga mga qualities and skills nga nakatabang jud nako karon. Kanang bisa man tuod nga dili na ta pwede mag-uban, pero we can still see each other around kay naramata sa isa ka isla. Pwede ra kay tanin ninyo magsabot-sabot, and then kanang pwede na po ko makabisita din ha. Unfortunately, wa po ka bisita sukad tungyandang ko kay mahal po dito, hindi ko afford. Pero bitaw, tuning kamutan ako mga makabisita dyan din ha. Ngita dyan kong time, maglaan ko og time para makabisita, and money of course. Pero bitaw, kanang hopefully padayon lang gid mo sa pagpailob sa usag-usa aron nga naay kalinaw gihapon din na sulod sa inyo. And mao lang to, unta gimingaw po mo sa akong kasabaan og sa akong kakiat. Bitaw ay I miss you guys. I miss you very much, all of you. I love you, and then once again, happy anniversary, Virtu Fam.
So, happy 8 incredible years, Berto Victoria. I'm truly grateful for this opportunity to send my warmest greetings on these special occasions. So, wishing you a continued success, growth, and joy on this special milestone. Once again, happy anniversary.
Hi, Berto, Trattoria. Happy 8th anniversary and more anniversary to come. I hope you're doing well. I hope to see you. Anyways, naday ko Double Oriental na message si Kuya Joe nga mag-message. Lagi short message ko lang. Mana, naing island, mati. Bye!
Happy 8th anniversary, Virtu Trattoria. We would like to thank you, the staff. They are so kind. We would like to thank you for the good food and for the amazing view of the place. That's all.
We want to wish you all the best for the restaurant, to create many beautiful memories with the guests, and also to always improve by doing this job. And the most important thing is also to share delicious food always and until the end. So that's from us, from Steph and
Jen. Bye-bye. Enjoy the day.
Hi guys! Happy 8 years anniversary Berto Trattoria. It's been 8 years Berto Trattoria started and now still standing. To Ma'am Jessica Phillips, to all the employees and staff, may Jehovah bless you guys with all the strength, knowledge, and more wisdom. I know it comes from the heart. Jehovah will always bless you guys. Once again, happy 8 years anniversary, Berto Trattoria.
Hello guys, good morning. Happy anniversary to Stream Valley, Berto Quest, Berto Trattoria. It's almost 2 years since I left the company. But still guys, Berto Trattoria is in my heart. So congratulations, happy anniversary. And to Ma'am Jess and Sir Bill Phillips, and to everyone member of the family. congratulations, and I am thankful na I'm part of Berto Trattoria and na-share na ko akong knowledge. And before I left the company, I know na ako'y nabilin diha, Memories Food. And to Madam and Sir Bill, thankful, thank you so much for giving everyone's opportunity. Once again, congratulations and happy anniversary.
Hello, Berto Trattoria and staff. Congratulations on another year of serving delicious food.
Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary, Berto Trattoria. Thank you. In a short time, naging part ako sa journey nyo and naging part din kayo sa life ko. To all the staff, thank you for not being my staff but to be my family. I miss you guys. To Ma'am Jess and Sir Bill, thank you and cheers to 8 years. Happy anniversary!